Listen closely, because what I'm about to tell you might change the way you think about online money forever. Picture this. You wake up tomorrow morning, sunlight slipping in through the window, your room still quiet. You stretch your hand toward your phone, half asleep. You open your banking app, and suddenly your eyes widen. There it is, an extra $100, earned while you slept. Now pause and ask yourself, what would you do in that moment? Would you smile? Would you feel relieved? Would you feel hope? Because today I'm going to walk you through exactly how I made my first $100 in a single day from home, step by step, using nothing more than a laptop, an internet connection, and a determination to stop struggling. And trust me, if I can do it, you absolutely can. Take a deep breath. Let's begin. Step 1. Understand the game. Have you ever wondered how thousands of ordinary people earn money online every single day? Not influencers, not celebrities, just normal people like you. The truth is simple. Online money isn't luck, it's a system. And once you know the steps, it becomes predictable. On the day I earned my first $100, the very first thing I did was choose one simple method. Not 10, not 20, just one. Because focus is everything. I chose freelancing, a simple skill, something I could do immediately. In my case, I wrote short descriptions for online products. Nothing fancy, no special degree, just clear, clean writing. But here's the twist. You don't need writing skills. You can choose anything. Simple graphic design, social media posting, basic video editing, translation, voiceovers, virtual assistants. If you can learn something in one evening, you can sell it online. And that brings us to step 2. Set up your earning platform. Imagine yourself sitting at your desk. You open your laptop. You type Fiverr or Upwork or Freelancer. Your heart beats a little faster because this is the moment where you step into the marketplace, a place where millions of people are already ordering services every single hour. I created a profile. I uploaded a simple picture. I wrote an honest, friendly description. Hi, I can help you write clear and engaging product descriptions. That's it. No dramatic story. No pressure. And within hours, yes, hours, someone messaged me. Hi, I need 10 descriptions. My heart jumped because that one order paid me $65. Just like that, I was more than halfway to $100. And the best part? You can do this too. Maybe not with writing. Maybe with whatever you're good at or whatever you're willing to learn tonight. Step 3, deliver with excellence. This is the part most people ignore, and it's why they fail. When that first order came in, I made a promise to myself. I will deliver work so clean, so clear, so fast that they'll come back again. I sat with a cup of tea, played soft music, focused deeply, and I delivered. 2 hours later, the message popped up. Great work. Can you do 10 more? That second order? Another $35. Total? $100 in just one day. All from home, all online, all because I took one simple skill, put it on one simple platform, and delivered one simple project with care. Step 4, repeat and scale. Now imagine this. You wake up every day knowing exactly how to earn money online. No guessing, no hoping, just a clear path. That first $100 was only the beginning. Because once you know how the system works, you can scale it. Raise your prices, offer new services, work with long-term clients, build multiple income streams, and slowly, quietly, your life begins to change. So let me ask you, what's stopping you from earning your first online $100 today? Fear? Doubt? Overthinking? Let it go. Start with one small skill, one platform, one project, just like I did. And tomorrow morning, who knows? Maybe you will be the one waking up to an extra $100 in your account, smiling, knowing that for the first time, you're in control.